Bro, you guys thought Usico was cool? Come on, man. There's so many more applications to CS. And today we are going to be applying it in the coolest way possible. And no, we're not doing machine learning. No, of course not. And you think we're going to be doing distributed systems or something cool like that? No. We are doing hacking, because that is quite clearly the best application of CS. Like, totally not malicious or anything. Okay, fine. To be honest, I'm not hacking anything maliciously. Don't worry about it. I promise, I swear. Hacking in this context is basically, let's learn how computer security works, because that stuff is cool. Because if I know how to hack you, then I know how to prevent you from hacking me. Kind of big brain. Hello everybody, I'm Kar, and today we are going to be playing picoCTF. Specifically, we're going to be doing web exploitation, where we're going to be hacking some very cool websites. Now, full disclaimer, I have done these problems before, but I did them a really long time ago, so I do not remember anything. So basically what we're going to do, 30 minutes on the clock, see how much we can get done. Alright, let's go to our 30-minute timer. Very cool. And let's start. Dude, I don't know why the heck we had to navigate a maze of lava to get to a computer, dude. Like, come on. Who puts a computer in the end of a lava room? It doesn't make sense. Actually, kinda, no. Can't go in the lava, this is so sad. Alright, let us see. So the first thing we got is inspector, let us do it. So it's inspector, so it's probably gonna be an inspect element. So we gotta do inspect, we can do control shift I, but we are cool and we do F12. Let's do it. And we go to elements, or you could also go to source, because source gives you the whole file, so that's good. And then you go, oh come on. Bro, why do you have to give me 1/3 of the flag? Just give me the flag. I get the idea. You don't have to troll me like this. Okay, so we get the first half here. Or well, first third. I know how to math. And oh no, I missed. Bro, I missed a character. This is so sad. What the heck? And then the third. Okay. And then this one. And then this boy over here. Epic. Okay, next one. Bro, I do not want a poem, my dude. I want to hack stuff. Okay, hot stuff. Okay, now we do. Don't use client side. What's this boy all about? I'm assuming, okay, basically what client side is what we're looking at right now. So if we want to see what's on the client side, we do F12 again, look at the source code. And what the heck? We got some JavaScript stuff here. What the heck? We got JavaScript that's verifying our password? We could see exactly how our password is verified? Wait a minute, that means we can figure out what the password is. So basically, what's happening is when you click submit with the verify button, it does onclick verify. So it basically calls this function and it gets what you typed in and it applies this function to it. So you gotta satisfy all these if statements, and basically what it's doing is your split is 4, so it splits your password into chunks of 4 and it does all these equal to signs. So the first thing is 0 to 4. So we take this as our first 4 parts of our password, put it in here. Then split to 2 times split is going to be your 4 to 7, or 4 to, well yeah, index is 4 to 7, so it's this thing, and so on and so forth. And the last one goes in and we submit. Very epic. I know this stuff seems pretty easy, but like the idea is that it's trying to teach you something about how to make websites, right? You don't want to put your code for checking a password on the front end, right? You don't want to show them in your index.html how you check your password, because then they get to look at it and figure out how to crack it. So essentially, anything that's connected to your index file gets shown up in the sources panel, right? And you want as little information as possible to be here so that people can't like figure out how your website works and hack it. So essentially, this is really bad coding practice, so don't do it. Okay, moving on. Alright, then we go to log on. Okay, so I guess we just gotta try some? Okay, why don't we try bruh? Bruh is basically my go-to if I don't know what to type into a text box. You can probably tell that from my messenger chat. Let's not talk about that. Okay, so we can't see the flag for some reason, so I'm assuming it's an inspect element again. Well, I mean, they probably won't have the same thing twice. Okay, it's not here. Nothing here. What the heck? Okay, this is all useless. Yeah, these are just style sheets, so that's not gonna help. So there's no other source file, so what the heck? Sign out? Did that do anything? Admin, why don't we try signing in as an admin? Same thing, so I'm assuming, okay, so basically we can't, it doesn't seem like the, text box does anything. If you look at the code, let's see, what does the submit button do? Okay, I guess it doesn't do anything. So basically if you don't, so this is like one place you can look, right? You either look in the source code and try to figure out how this file, this website works. But from this you could see that this submission button doesn't do anything. Literally the only thing it does is it does login. So, I mean, we could just literally do it ourselves. We don't even have to click that, and we could go to login ourselves. Oh, we can't. That means that something else needs to be, added. So, what happens? So, another place we could check, because this is not giving us anything useful, is our cookies, basically. And what the heck? Bruh. Okay, this is another good thing to know about how computers work. So basically, websites, what they do is they store information in cookies. And basically, what those cookies let you do is they let you not have to sign in every single time. Because it saves it, even if you close the tab and you open it again, you still have the information from your cookies, so that persists throughout. The only problem is that I could view the cookies, I could change the cookies, so you don't want to put things in a visible manner inside these cookies. Because I can literally see what the heck the password is, I could change my username, maybe I could access someone else's file. But the most important thing here is we could change this to true and we will become an admin. And if we refresh the page, we are an admin. Okay, we gotta log in first. Change this to true. Refresh. And hooray, we got the flag because we are now an admin, theoretically. So we basically put this in, enter over here, very cool stuff. So essentially the lesson there is don't put private stuff in your cookies. Alright, where are the robots? Okay, so this one, like, I was not able to figure out at all the first time I did it, because this one you have to actually know some very specific stuff about websites and how search engines work. So basically web crawlers exist, right? So basically what search engines use web crawlers for is they use it to go through websites, figure out what they're about, and they basically go through every single page they could find. But some websites don't want robots looking through all their pages, right? So they keep a certain file called robots.txt that tells you where not to look. It tells robots to not go into certain URLs because it would damage something or it would break something or something. That was very eloquent, I must say. But basically the problem with that is that the robots.txt file is completely public. So I could go look in there and see what they don't want people to look at. So if we just try it right now, it says disallow this HTML. So clearly, it doesn't want people looking at it, so what are we going to do? We're going to look at it. Basically, the lesson here is you don't want to put private stuff on public pages. If you want to make something private on a web page, you got to make sure it's password protected, because otherwise anybody could just look for the URL, find the URL, put it in here, and find the flag. Very cool. Copy this boy in. Okay, and now we're client side again. Let us see. How much time do we got? 19 minutes. Very good stuff. New and improved login. Uh-oh, I do not like this. Okay, so it's probably going to be a source code thing again, because it said client side again, so let us look. So we got all this stuff, and we got a nice array of stuff, okay. That does not look something we can read, so let's see. So this clearly looks like part of a flag, so that seems relevant. Verify, where's verify? Oh, wait. Is there a way, can we pretty print it? Oh, nice, we can pretty print it, let's go! So, we got this stuff. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, well, I mean, we could just piece it together by ourselves. So picoCTF is fine. And then we put that in here. Let's see, what else? Whoops, which one is it? Oh, here. Hold up. This is very sus. Not this again? Okay, I'm assuming that's what it's supposed to be. So not this again, and then 19. Okay, let's just test it to make sure. picoCTF, not this again. 19F266. Epic. Verified. So we just gotta do that. Not this again. 19F266. Very epic stuff. And that was the same thing. Don't do your password stuff on the front end. But like, even if it seems hard to use, like, it's possible to reverse engineer. So don't do it. Alright, open to admins. Okay, this seems like another cookie thing. Let's see. Click the flag. Can't get the flag. F12 the flag. Okay. Oh, whoops. That's F11. F12. Okay, sources, what do we got? So it looks like nothing particularly useful here. So I'm assuming we gotta go look at the, can we sign in, maybe? And this isn't implemented yet, okay, of course. So here, no cookies? Can we add a cookie? Wait, hold up. This doesn't seem particularly useful. Okay, so what does this do? Oh, so it goes to /flag. Okay, so why don't we go to /flag? Download something? That seems wrong. Hold up. Fine, let's try going into, I don't think it should download something, right? Or does it? Okay, why don't we check out the download, but I am scared, so I'm gonna check it out using bash. So we'll cd into our downloads folder, and we will cat download, okay? That's not what we wanted, okay. So basically they're using nginx to run their thing, but that is not the point. So how do we do this? Wait, okay, let's see. So, network, is this like a, nope, did not want to do that, okay. Headers? Let's see. Is there anything useful in here? It doesn't look like there's anything useful in here. Wait, what was the name of the question? It was after admin. So what we could try to do is add our own. Why don't you just try to make our own cookie? So admin. That's how I spelled admin. Okay. Admin true. And wait, what? Okay, so that's not the right way to do it. So we're looking in here. These are unimplemented, so that's not gonna help. Bro, why does it keep downloading stuff? Stop. Okay. So network should tell us what's happening. So this is going to be an HTTP GET request. It's an incorrect time. That seems sketchy. Ah, stop downloading stuff. God dang it. Okay, so we need to get admin somehow. Oh, 14. Oh, okay. I see. Bruh, this is why you gotta read the question, dude. This is a very good lesson, even in math and like all that other stuff. I'm so stupid. Okay, so now we just gotta set. Oh my. God dang it, dude. God dang it. Is that not it? Bruh. I'm actually so triggered. What the heck? I'm so bad. Why didn't I read the question? Okay, anyways. So what is that? What is that? You could write cookie. Oh my. Okay. We're not gonna talk about that. Alright, now we got a lot more stuff. Let's look at this. Alright, Pico browser. You're not Pico browser. Okay, well, this one is hard to know unless you've done these kind of problems before, but basically, it's trying to figure out what type of browser you're on. So it wants you to be on Pico browser, but that doesn't exist. So how the heck are we going to pretend like we're using a Pico browser? So essentially, I forgot how exactly to do this, but there should be a way to change your network place. I think it was over here. Network conditions, we could, okay, user agent, that's what we had to change. So essentially what websites do is they try to change how they display things based on what browser you're using. Because some browsers support different features, right? So they need to know what browser you're using so that they could decide what features they want to show you. So in this particular case, we want to change this to be Pico browser. So we're going to change it to Pico browser. We click enter, we refresh, and we got it. Very cool. Alrighty. Nice. Now technically I don't think this is that much of a security liability, but it's cool to understand that your websites try to change based on what browser you're in. Also, it shows you how much cool stuff you could do with this inspect element stuff. You could change literally everything. Okay. What the heck is going on here? What is this? Well, okay, it's fine. Okay. Irish name repo. Let's do this. Sounds fun. How much time do we have left? Oh, we have 8 minutes. Very cool. Ooh, very nice. We got some Irish people. Where the heck is the flag, though? That is the question. So we go to sources. Is there anything useful in here? I'm assuming there's nothing. Okay, there's a lot of HTML, and I don't think it's going to be useful. So I'm assuming we got to go to support. Dude, Pico is amazing, dude. The problems are so good. I'm just one man. Oh, well, okay, I guess this is kind of useful because we know that the user is called admin, so that's useful. So why don't we just try logging in as admin? Can we see anything about this? What does it say? Nothing particularly useful here, so let's try admin. Oh, what? Admin. You can see the login of PHP, what the heck? Okay, no, that's nothing. Okay, post, let's see. So, network, we're saying, do we do a post? Wait, didn't we post to it? Okay, post, and we could pass in a password, a username and a password. Oh, debug? Is that relevant? Oh! Wait, so we could change this debug to 1? Wait, so I'm assuming that it'll let us go in as an admin if we make the debug 1, right? Wait, okay, so where is it? So it says debug is 0, but what happens if we make the debug value 1? Okay, so we'll find it here. So basically what sometimes they do on websites is they add a debug thing so that they could just debug it without having to actually be an admin. But the problem with that is if you forget to take that out in the actual website, you are doomed. So we'll change that to 1. We'll just log in here and question mark? Oh, wait a minute. Is this a SQL injection? Oh, ooh. So now we know that we're running a SQL query, so that means that we could SQL inject. So, wait, let me go back there. Okay, so basically what's happening here is you're plugging in your username right here, right? Well, it turns out if we put another close quote right there, then it'll think that our username is whatever is before that quote, and then if we comment out the rest of the statement, it won't check our password. So what we could do is in SQL you comment out with dashes, 2 dashes. So we could do admin and then dash, and then we log in. What the heck? No, it's not SQL injection. Hold up. 1. Oh, maybe name is not admin. Why don't we just try or 1 equals 1? So this is guaranteed to pass. So we just do that. Oh, nice. We logged in. Okay, so I guess the username was not admin, but we were able to SQL inject right there. So just to show you what I did, this just means that our username is nothing because it'll be a quote and then a quote, so that's useless. and then or 1 or 1. So that means it'll select any user where 1 and 1 is equal, and that's always true. So it'll always select a user, and then we ignore the password, so we'll always get something. And then we log in, and we're good. Did I copy the thing? Hopefully I copied the flag. Oops, I didn't copy the flag, so let's get back in there. Some SQL, let's go. Epic. SQL injection is heck cool. 4 minutes, we could probably do 2 more, 1 more, something like that. Okay, Irish name repo 2, should we do? Let's try it. Well, why don't we try to do as many, we'll do all the ones first. Okay, let's log in. I'm doing a lot of register first. Yeah, so let's register with like A, and then A. Sign in. Okay, so we could add a to-do, we could look at this stuff. Does it say anything about what we want to do? So we want to find the secret code that they assigned to us. So we could try stuff. Why don't we see? So this is the only thing we could edit, right? This is the only text box we could change. So let's see. We could go in here. Doesn't look like anything useful. Application. Okay, we can just get a session token, which we're not gonna hack. That's not possible. No way. Basically what the session token is, it stores stuff about like what user you are, but it's encrypted, so it's very hard to crack. Let's see. Okay, so this is the only text box we have, so why don't we try SQL injecting it and see whether that's a thing. Okay, so it is SQL injection, let's go. Okay, so essentially we want to be able to log in to one of these users, ideally. So, what happens if we try, okay, so this is normal to-do. If we try that, we get our to-do, okay. So, basically the SQL statement is probably going to look like select, no, we're inserting into the table, so it's probably going to be like insert, this thing, wait, how does it work? I forgot how it works. SQL insert statement. So it inserts into table, and then it puts the value. So what it's probably going to be is going to be like insert into like to-dos, and then what is it going to be? And then I'll put the column names. Let's see, columns 1, column 2, and then values will go next. And basically the values will be something and like our password or our to-do over here, or it'll probably be like that. So if we want to like change this so that we could actually insert something else into here, we could do like this, and then we could concatenate it with another string, and then we could concatenate another string, and so on and so forth, and maybe we could concatenate something useful for us. So why don't we try that? So first, let's just see whether the concatenating string thing works, and we're reading this right. So we concatenate with like a bunch of other strings, and let's see if it worked out correctly. Exactly, see, it concatenated all the strings we put. So we need to figure out how to get the users. Ooh, my timer's out, god dang it. Okay, well, we're gonna finish this one first. So what we could do is we could try putting a select statement, select star from users, and then like that. Okay, no, apparently users is not good. Maybe it's a user table? Okay, would it be a problem if I'm trying to concatenate not a string to a string? Wait, I forgot. Let me see if there's a way to convert to string. Convert table rows to string. I cannot use a recursive CTE. I need to put it all in one. Oh wait, could I do it? Well, I mean, technically, I don't know how many rows there are, so that's not gonna work. So why don't we just select, well, okay. There might be a way to get all tables. Let's see. Get schema of table SQL. Why don't we try this? So we could put this in here, and we could do table name is users. Okay, that's not working. Okay, we don't know what the table name is, but maybe it's just user. Okay, that's not working. Huh, maybe there's another way to do it. Let's see, SQL list all database. So then we need to find out, like, we want to log in as a different user, so we need to find out the password. Show tables. Okay, that's not working. Let's see. SQL get database as string. I don't want to search a string. Let's see. Because the only way we can concatenate it is if it's a string. So we want to show a table as a string. Okay, let's see. Oh, sys dot. There should be a way to list the stuff that's happening. Well, why don't we just try selecting ourselves? So select user from users where user equals a. Okay, this probably won't work, but we need to guess what the table name is, so maybe user? Why don't we try select star? Would that work? Select name. Oh, we got our name. Okay, that's pretty good. So we know that the user table is called user, but we need to figure out how to get other people's stuff. So maybe it's called, okay, what are we looking for? Secret code, so maybe it's like secret. Let's try secret. Secret, or select, or wait, we gotta concatenate. Select secret from user where name equals 8. Okay. Ooh, we got a secret. Let's go. Easy. Let us go. We did it. Okay. There's technically a better way. I'm pretty sure. Wait, there should be. There was a way to like show the table so you don't have to guess stuff. So SQL show tables. Oh, this is what it was. Oh, okay, that's how you did it. Oh, this makes so much more sense. Let's try this. Okay. Yeah, this is what it was. So you group concat the SQL from the SQLite master. You get, what do we get? And then you get the entire schema. Oh, so that's how you do it. Okay. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Oh, okay, I get it now. Okay, I think we went way over time, but that was fun. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Honestly, this stuff is really cool, so if you guys are interested in it, please leave a like, please let me know, and I will continue to do it. Alright, thank you guys for watching again, and see you guys next time.